always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. Finger never say look here. Him always say look yonder. And in English translation, finger never say look here. He always say look yonder. In other words, people are always looking outside of themselves where the fault may lie, when in truth and in fact the fault may lie within. So you always have to be mindful that you're looking at yourself first. You self-evaluate first before you look outside of yourself, yes? Self-evaluation is always required. There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.